Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. This time we're demonstrating an AM-FM 8-track out of a 77 Mustang 2. This comes from Mike in Lincolnton, North Carolina. Mike has requested the modern internal conversion to make the radio work more reliably, and also the Bluetooth feature. So we're here to check everything out before we send her back. I've got it set to AM at the moment, the one strong station I get, so let's turn her on.
Inflation and taxes,
Here's our AM.
unpredictability in the marketplace can
Okay,
be
while
the
we
cause
have it
of
on
many
talk
sleepless
radio,
nights.
let's demonstrate
Being too
the
exposed to changes
balance
in the
and fader
market is
functions.
risky. However, you may not want to compromise
Front
growth
rear
either.
fader.
So how do you find
Fader adjust.
Victory Wealth
Okay,
Services?
all the way front,
We can help
all the way
give
rear,
you confidence, clarity,
front,
and control when it comes
rear,
to your
okay, I'm gonna
investment
center 'em.
and your retirement. Call 928
Fader
fader
set.
set. Okay, left, right, balance.
928-77.
Balance adjust.
Okay,
Remember,
all the way
at
left,
Victory Wealth Services,
all the way right,
your victory is our mission.
left,
Securities
right,
and investment
okay,
advisory
center them.
services are offered through Victory Wealth Service.
Balance set.
Okay, let's make sure the
Investment
Bluetooth
advisor.
goes into pairing mode. We don't need this stuff anymore. Check for Bluetooth pairing.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. We know that's working. So let's go over to FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area for a quick test. Now we're on FM.
Satisfy your wing.
Poder mirar a Jesús.
Powerful Category 4 storm.
All right, let's try the 8-track. Got some Neil Sedaka here. Okay, at the end of a song there. Check for a crosstalk between songs. None. Ready. Pull the tape out and the radio comes back, and I've already tested the dial lamp. It's such a faint green glow that you can't see it on the camera, but I checked it to make sure it works, so she's ready to go back, and I'm ready to get on the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and to reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below, and please download and print the work order before calling me with a half-hour barrage of questions, because all my options and prices, including options for turnaround time, are right there in the work order, and it saves me about 15 minutes on the phone with each new customer, meaning it saves me about 2 or 3 hours a day on the phone where I'm off the bench not getting any work done. So please do have a work order in your hand before calling me with questions. Once you've got a work order, I'm happy to talk to you. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Mike, for your business all the way from Lincolnton, North Carolina, and we'll see you guys next time.